Okay, so, sorry, I went a little bit too far, but on the first part, you want to pick the tape diagram where it has the athlete and then the sister, since she has 2 times as much practice. That's why there's 2 different boxes here, and then the original athlete only has 1. So now we have to figure out how many minutes of practice each week the sister actually has. So before we can do that, we have to figure out how many minutes of practice the athlete has currently. Because right now his or hers is in hours. So we're gonna have to do 3 times 60 to figure out how many minutes are in 3 hours. So you can make a quick tape diagram. We're gonna have the 3 here. And then up here you'll have the 60. Sorry, that's kind of bad. And the 0. Okay, and then right here, 6 times 3 is your 18. Add your 0. And 3 times 0 is 0. Okay, so we know that the athlete has 180 minutes, but it says the sister has 2 times as much. So we're gonna have to take the 180 and multiply it by 2. So we can set up another one. And sorry, it's kind of hard to draw on here. These do not look great. And then this is times, you'll have your 100. And then this will be 80. And then your 1s will just be 0. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. Add your 0s. 8 times 2, 16. Add your 0. And then 2 times 0 is 0. Then you're going to add these 3 numbers together. Stop. Alright, we don't have to do the 0 because we know it's 0. We have 6, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. So the sister has 360 minutes of practice each week. Let's make sure that works. There we go.